Okay, so hi guys! Today I'm doing a videoing of unboxing for my new parcel. So this is my new soul carrier. It's my very first soul carrier. So I actually opened it yesterday already. So today I'm just gonna do another unboxing again. So I've got two little bags here. So what are inside these bags? You can see one small and one big, right? Guess what is it? Let me just show you the big one first. So basically, the carriers, they come in their own little bags, okay? Tagged so, their little logo. So this is their linen carrier bags. And this is my brand new carrier. Can you see the lovely color? Okay, so this carrier is in standard size. Sorry for the mess, I roughly folded it and then put it inside the bag. So you can see here, can you see? Is their soul logo on the buckle. So let me just unbuckle this and show it to you. Ta-da! A beautiful shade of lilac purple. So this is how the carrier looks like up close. Can you see? Look at the colors. Okay, so this carrier is a full woven carrier. This is not hand woven, this is machine woven. Okay, but it's soft jacquard woven, so it's very floppy. Yesterday I tried to wear my baby for an hour already, and then it's super floppy and no need any breaking into it. It's very comfortable. Okay, so just gonna show you all some things about this carrier. So this carrier has a thick waist pad here, which I love. So I'm just going to put it on. I've already adjusted to my body size and baby size yesterday already, because since I already worn it. So let me just do another proper demo. So, oh yeah, this beautiful dress is from Johnny Cry. Nice, not? Nice, right? Okay, I just do a quick shout out. Okay, so you see there's a cold shoulder detail here, and then the nursing access is here, zippered. Can you see? It's also suitable for pregnant mommies. So after you finish delivering, you can still wear it for nursing, right? Okay, so anyway, yeah, one last thing. I love crinkle-free material, so when you baby wear, it doesn't come out crumply, right? So first up, adjust to the waistband or the waist pad to your waist size. So I like it around here. How to judge whether how high you should put it is after when you carry baby. Baby should be, when you bend down, you should be able to kiss baby on his or her forehead. Okay, so that's about it. I will grab the baby. Just hang on for a sec, yeah. Ta-da! Here's the baby. Say hello. Hi. She's looking at herself. Hi. Okay, enough of her. Okay, so hi, this is my younger daughter, baby Hope. And she's now almost 8 months old in a few days time. She's 9 over kg. Her height I can't remember because it's been more than half a month since we went to check. So carry baby snugly, okay, safely, supporting, yeah, and opening both legs up. Okay, just let baby sit comfortably, making sure both legs are out of the leg panel, and then put the straps up properly. So okay, I'm not a baby wearing educator, so I do not know the exact terms. Let me just get the terms correctly, okay? Okay, so after you hold baby against chest and spread legs outwards, okay? Pull, this is the back body panel up, and then the shoulder strap onto the shoulder, and then after that we should be reaching hands back to clip the chest clip. Clip the chest clip in case you couldn't hear that, okay? So here we go. So that is to secure the baby in place. Remember, if there's a little fasten behind, you should go in, but not all carriers have that fasten thing, okay? That's called a band, elastic band thingy. It's like a secure band. For example, like some other brands, they have it, okay? Then okay, wait, let me just report. This is a standard size carrier, so this instructions manual for a standard buckle, full buckle carrier. They have the anatomy of the carrier, you see? And then it shows you what is called what, okay? So basically, after you put the baby in, make sure both legs are out and nice in the angle. Otherwise you can shift baby into the middle, nice and snug, right? Okay. Make sure from the back of the carrier, the view, baby's hips is in an, sorry her butt too fat, really my arm cannot reach across. Her butt is, her legs and her hips are in M shape. Could you see? M shape. M shape, okay? Then making sure baby is seated deeply enough, okay? So how to adjust that? You can actually just place both hands inside baby's butt, pull up, lift forward, creating a little gap here, and then sit baby down. So this will put baby in a very nice and deep position. Then baby's bum will be lower than the knees. Okay, so that's basically how you wear the baby. And of course, other things like the back panel, if this part is too loose, so make sure baby is snug and close to you, but not too tight as well. So other things you have to adjust are these, okay? The sides here, as well as these parts, okay? So if like baby is way too low, you have to pull this up tighter, okay? I'm so sorry, my face keeps getting cut out. So this is our new carrier. She's really snug and nice in here, and I love it also. It's very soft. See? Ta-da! It's very soft and very comfortable for mommy. And look at the beautiful color. It's very nice, right? It goes damn well with this dress. Okay, and this is the hood also. It's double-sided. So basically this entire thing is just woven, okay? So this is the hood and the reach straps. So okay, so I've got a little bow here, and then at the back here, can you see? These are for the hood. Okay, so you can actually clip it there. Like when baby is sleeping or when it's raining, you can just do this, okay? So you adjust accordingly. So this is basically about it for the standard size carrier. Oh yeah, making sure also this part is straight and parallel to the floor, okay? Okay, so we are nice and snug on this carrier already. So what is next is this little tiny bag. So what is this tiny bag here? Dun, 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 dun. So this tiny little thing is a doll carrier. It's super cute. And this doll carrier, right, is like the same color as my carrier. So basically it's twinning carriers. Can you see? So this will be meant for my older girl. Obviously the baby doesn't know how to baby wear another baby, right? Okay, so this will be for my toddler, but I don't have her with me here now. She's in school, so I'll catch her when she's in a good mood, maybe over the weekends. And then I will show you all what is called twinning up one level. Matching clothing and matching carriers. Awesome, right? So anyway, this is also in woven material. So it's basically the same, but in a smaller size for a toddler girl or boy, okay? And last but not least, if you want to know more about this standard size carrier, I won't say too much about it because the video is going very long already. Basically, standard size carrier is suitable for babies to toddlers from 7 to 18 kg. Okay, let me just grab her out for a while. She wants to come out and play. Okay, come. Ucha! Okay, from 7 to 18 kg. So they have other sizes too, like the Anun A, I think that's how we pronounce it. That's like from infant and up, infant to toddlerhood. So she's already so like a meatball, right? So she can fit the standard. So I got the standard, so at least it's I think more mileage for her lah. Okay, so I think that's all for now. If you'd like to find out more about the carriers and the specifications, the materials, the price and everything, please visit their website below. And then I will hold a giveaway very soon, so check out my page. And you can like Sew Carriers page also, just to follow them and see what other designs and different types of carriers they have. Yeah. Okay. So that's all for today. Okay, bye bye.